You miss a pill and that's it. Pregnancy. Here's what you need to do. You need to fit it into your day-to-day life. The first app is my therapy app. I'll be leaving pictures here. One of the things you probably thought they were joking when they told you was that you need to take your oral contraceptive pills at specific time of the day, every day. You miss a pill and that's it. Pregnancy will hit you on the face. So in order to prevent this, right, and then still be able to use your oral contraceptive without problems, without skipping a pill, without missing a medication, here's what you need to do. You need to fit it into your day-to-day life so that you don't go crazy because you always have to keep taking this medicine every day at the same time. You need to fit it into your normal day-to-day life. So what do I mean by that? I'll be giving you two categories of people. You may fall into one or you may be both. This will help you to be able to use your oral contraceptive pills properly, consistently, the way it's supposed to be used. So the first group of people are people who normally, on a normal day, they have a routine. They have something they do at specific time of the day every day. The other group of people are people who nothing can tie them down. They do what they want to do whenever they want. So if you are in this first category I mentioned, where you have a routine, here are some things that you can do, how you can fit in your oral contraceptive pills to your daily life. One, if you do morning devotion in your house, that's it. Morning devotions or morning prayers are usually done at a specific time every day. So you can tie your oral contraceptive to your morning prayers. Two, meal times. So if you are the kind of person that 7 a.m. you must have your breakfast, or 8 p.m., 8:20 you're already having your dinner, that is an opportunity for you to tie your oral contraceptive to your meal time. Number three, if you go to work at specific time of the day, for instance in Nigeria we have 8 to 4. It's abroad that they do 9 to 5. Okay, some companies in Nigeria do 9 to 5, I don't know, but you sha need to start preparing before that 8, before 8 a.m. So your preparation time, maybe by maximum to 7, yeah, you should be in the bedroom already having your bath. That is an opportunity for you to tie your oral contraceptive to it. Moving on, moving on to the second category of people I mentioned. These people are people that cannot be bothered. So here are two things that you can do if you still want to by fire by force use oral contraceptive. One, set your alarm, but make it two, so that the first alarm will be like a reminder for you, then the second one will now be the proper alarm for you to take your oral contraceptive. Number two, I'll be giving you some apps that I took my time to research. These apps are actually free to use and you have to follow their prescription to be able to set the application to fit into your needs. The first app is my therapy app. I'll be leaving pictures here. My therapy app. Second is Lady Pill Reminder. So these two apps, you can choose any one of them or try both and see the one that will work best for you. And I hope that with these points, you will be able to effectively incorporate taking your oral contraceptive into your daily life without skipping a pill. You're welcome.